लाइफ में कितना भी पैसा कमा लो, कितना भी सक्सेसफुल हो जाओ, लेकिन अगर आपके रिश्ते सही नहीं है, then nothing of it really makes sense. Welcome to India's only podcast that talks about self-love and making your relationships better. Unleash the power of love with raw clips. Let's roar. When does one know that they have to end a relationship is sort of not working for them? You know, as you said, healthy है तब तक ठीक है, आप love languages समझ रहे हो, आपने उस पे काम भी किया, but you know, when does that threshold, as I asked you previously also, कब break करना चाहिए एक relationship or exit a relationship for that matter?
Before we started this podcast, you said this point, and that's so important कि हमारी लाइफ में इतनी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, लेकिन रिलेशनशिप बिकम्स द मेन थिंग, एंड देन रिलेशनशिप में कुछ गड़बड़ चल रही है तो हर जगह गड़बड़ होती रहती है, राइट? दैट इज़ योर मेजरिंग पॉइंट, और दैट्स हाउ यू नो कि आपकी रिलेशनशिप आपके बाकी एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ लाइफ को ग्रो कर रही है या रिड्यूस कर रही है उसे. इन योर रिलेशनशिप, आर यू लूजिंग your mental health? Are you losing touch with your family? Are you losing more or are you gaining more? I really believe that in a healthy relationship, if you're not gaining, if you're not becoming a better person, you're not gaining and winning in life, then why are you even with them? Matlab, shouldn't you two be together to grow together instead of take away from each other? Is it draining you or is it fulfilling you? Is it fueling you? That's your way. That's your way to know.
Wow, that's a beautiful measurement. I mean, like, if you are sort of losing parts of yourself, and if you're losing at, you know, different pillars of your life, like say your career is not doing well, you're not able to concentrate, you are messed up, your health is taking a toll, and that's when you know that the relationship is not meant for you,
not serving you. Again, the person, it's not necessary that the person is bad. It's a bad person. हम ऐसे पूरा उसको black and white category में कर देते हैं ना, कि नहीं, that is a bad person, toxic person and all that. It might just be that you two weren't compatible enough, or you two didn't have the same value systems and all of that. So maybe you'll be better off with someone else.
Yes. So मेरे personal journey में मैंने ये देखा है कि, you know, when I started being in relationships and when I started investing in my self growth, there was this huge difference that came between the person I was with, and because I was growing at some stage, मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि मैं जो बात कर रही हूँ, मैं जो communicate करना चाह रही हूँ, the other person is not evolving at that rate. And जब वो एक change हो जाता है, you know, there is this stark difference, and वो gap करना बहुत difficult हो गया था मेरे लिए. And that's when I thought that, you know, if for me it really mattered if this person is actually working on himself or no.
And that's so important.
Yeah, and I think that's the biggest turn off also somewhere, where I would say when that person is not invested in growing himself. Because if you are not growing, because I am invested in my self growth, and if this person is not doing the same for himself, I can see that we will not be heading anywhere.
Absolutely.
Because our goals are not going to align, and we are not going to be heading to the same destination somewhere or the other.
Again, comes down to values, right? Growth is a value. It's a very, very important value. But is it for the other person?
Yes.
How much weightage are they giving growth in their life? You know, some of us are like, you know, nahi, zindagi bhar grow karte rehna. Even at 80 years old, I would love to be learning something new. I would love to be on my toes as much as I can be. And some people are okay with where they are. हाँ ठीक है, ऐसे चल रही है जिंदगी तो चल रही है.
बराबर है.
That's the thing. Again, needs to be talked about. And also, it is okay. बहुत सी relationships में ऐसा होता है. One of the biggest factors of long-term relationships ending is this, that one person was growing at another pace and the other person was not growing, or growing at a very different pace. And then you just have to tell yourself that, hey, there was nothing wrong with us, but we just want different things in life now. So it's okay. There's nothing wrong with me.